نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليقل خيرا أو ليصمت، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Starting the greater name of Allah, the most merciful, the King of Kings, the Lord of God, and Creator of all the universe. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I am very happy to get a chance to express my thoughts in front of you people. And today, my topic is about the protection of tongue and our responsibilities. Honorable Chief Guest, humankind is a collection of different organs. A small organ in the human body is the tongue. In today's era, small organ is used in a very bad way. There is a saying in Arabic there: "Al-lisanu jinnuhu saghir wa junnuhu kabir." This means the tongue size is very small, but its lines are very big. Allah the Most High said, "Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, lima taquluna ma la taf'alun? Kabura maqtan 'inda Allahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun." O you who make believe, why do you say what you do not do? That is heaven in the sight of Allah. That you say and you do not do in the sight of Allah. This is the situation that makes Allah angry. That you say something and you do not do. Dear listener, if you think a man is a small tongue, but animals